So we're gonna try get some lift out of this. I'm not sure how much lift, but El's already cleaned up down there, so we can get a pry bar in there. We're gonna lift this back patio. You can see how it's dropped down, it's broken away. So
that gap.
Yeah, we're gonna try and close this gap up. Man, you cleaned this up really nicely, El.
Oh, wow.
Got all the gunk out of there. So if we're gonna get good movement, you've done the best possible. Hopefully we can get lift on this, but like I said, there's no guarantees on lift, but we'll definitely stabilize it that it doesn't get worse. So I get it underneath that footer there. That's it.
Is it lifting anything?
I don't think so, not yet. We'll see once I get the extension in there. Okay. Yeah, we're getting lift, right? Yep. Yeah, we are. Little bit, yep. Keep going. Listen for it. There we go. It's lifting. Look at that. It's already lifting. It's okay. Just let that solidify around you. Don't worry about cleaning it, Eric. Okay. That dial's already starting to move. Yeah, but if the dial's moving, it means it's already filled any voids. It's compacted it because now it's starting to lift the concrete slab. Yep, that's moving. Just be careful it doesn't spray out there against the house, Eric.
I don't see anything over here. Oh, there we go. Right on the pry bar.
Okay. It's still lifting, Eric?
No, stop.
Okay, it came out the back.
I did not know you had a little seat.
Uh-huh. It's still coming out this side, Eric. Let it just settle. It's just a hassle getting on this thing when it's so high. There we go. Now I can sit on my tractor seat, put some weight on without putting any effort to it. Short shots, Eric. The lifting.
Yeah.
I can feel I'm going down. Is it closing up?
Yeah.
Yeah.
It's not there yet, but it's.
Uh-huh.
I don't think it was all the way there anyway.
No.
You know what I mean?
Now my feet are touching the ground. They weren't even touching the ground early on. So if I'm going down, it means that's going up.
What would you fill that up with? Just mortar, or
What do you
would
mean?
Use hydraulic cement when I go fill in that gap.
Probably hydraulic cement. And you know what? I'd get something like I use it a lot when we're doing big crack fills. Is you get a bucket of quickcrete,
right.
And it's a quick setting one,
Right.
and make it quite sloppy, like quite wet, so you can get it in. You know, use like a little spatula that you can just shove it down there and stuff. That's going to be your best bet.
Because I already have the hydraulic cement.
The lizard just came out of the hole.
Oh, poor guy.
He was like, man, I'm going to get squashed if I stay here. Yeah, I mean, it doesn't have to be the quick set. If you've got regular hydraulic cement, use that.
I got the Quikrete.
No, I just.
It's still lifting.
Is
it still turning?
Yeah, it's moving.
Okay. If I bounce on it, is that needle moving, Eric?
No.
Eh?
No.
Not? Okay. I'll just stay on it though. So keep pushing it against the wall, lifting it up that way. Run. Should put big ape hangers on it. Oh. We're almost at the bottom of that one. It's lifted a lot.
There's a lot of relief foam coming out.
Okay. Well, it's filling the gaps. Is it lifting when I bounce, Eric?
Puff.
Just a little.
Okay.
I can't tell if it's a foam.
It probably is. So that relief foam that comes out there, that's just because it's found a path of least resistance. So when we stop foaming, it blocks that off, and we can keep the foam underneath the patio. And then you'll hear, like now he's putting foam under there, but now that's the water going through. So we keep the jets clean with the water, and then also keeps like a little tunnel open to keep getting the foam underneath. So if it sprays out the side like it did there, that'll get hard, but underneath it won't. So we keep building a pillar underneath it. You know, we keep focusing on that area. Yeah, as long as we keep the jet open, yeah. So this is good because all it's doing is finding voids and weak points and stuff, blowing foam out.
Want, right?
Yep, yep. And you can see the way the foams come out, it's all pushed this way really well. So let that set up, Eric. Because every time we go to put foam in the trash can, it means I'm putting money in the trash can. You're still getting lift, Eric?
Oh yeah.
Good.
All of a sudden now it's going really good.
Okay. All right. I don't think I'm needed on that.
Even the
Check.
bars have straightened out because of the physics of it.
Yeah. It's lifting everything up. See, that's opened up in the bottom there too.
Right.
See that?
But we're definitely. I mean, you're going to zero anyway. You're going
Yeah.
to level.
Yeah, we're not going to go further. I mean, look at that. That's closed up there. That's closed up completely. There was a huge gap on the top where the gecko was living. So I am going to say that we are very close. Because that was part of the slab below. That was poured together. So you can clearly see where it's separated along the sides there. So that's come up with that, which is great.
That should help with my drainage too.
It will. It will. Is it still lifting, Eric?
Just a little.
Because I think we're pretty close to where it was.
You're getting a lot of foam out here.
Still.
Yeah. This whole crevasse is filled almost.
That's okay. At least we know the foam's come out where it's supposed to. Man, it lifted up nicely that way.
Nice.
Yeah. Yeah.
It will only go so far.
Yeah.
Right.
Yeah.
Won't
No, it won't
keep
continue.
growing.
No, it won't. Like once we foam and it's like this, it doesn't keep growing. So when we leave the job, it's not going to keep lifting up for a day afterwards.
Right.
Oh,
Sure.
Yeah.
house is cracking,
I think
crackling.
we're probably.
I think hearing the cracking now, it's probably getting up to where it was originally.
Yeah, it's moving back into place.
And now it's binding up with the house.
Yeah, because I mean, I was cleaning it out. I'm sure I got rocks. And stuff.
Yeah. Yeah, you get dirt in the back there and then it starts
you can do that.
binding. Yeah.
Man.
Oh yeah, it's lifted on this side too. You see that, Jack? Actually raised up on the bottom there
Yeah.
too.
So
I
is
think
it- is
Eric,
this
I'm
all
gonna
level?
I'm gonna put some foam in there as well. Oh, that came up really well. Really nice. We don't want too much lift here, Eric. I mean, we can go up a bit, but more just want to stabilize this corner. Is it lifting, Eric?
Yep.
Have you got relief foam?
No, we don't have any relief foam yet.
All right, that's fine. I think we're pretty close to level there, Eric. Even though we didn't get any,
We got quite a bit of lift.
yeah, we got a lot of lift, but I'm looking at the back there.
Yeah.
And it looks pretty level to that back step. Even though we didn't get relief, it doesn't mean that the foam's not where it's supposed to be. So with one more shot and then we call it quits.
You want to go from the side?
Yeah. No, it's not that deep. It's right here. Look there. Nothing that you see there. So there's the footer down there.
Yeah, it looks
It's not like it's hollow.
Right.
You know,
Yeah,
I
you
think
got
the footer.
It looks like a 6-inch on top of the
Well,
floor.
you still got this 4-inch here.
Right.
So I think that was poured and then this was poured on top of it or something. But
Nah.
that's still concrete down there, which I think is attached to that. That's why we haven't got material blowing out here, because this isn't hollow. There's concrete right there.
Right.
So this is pretty close.
Yeah, you
know, it could be-
because of the tiles.
The
and all that
tiles.
shit, yeah.
And that's almost spot level.
Yeah. Well, they're both pretty much inside.
Yeah. Yep. See that?
Looks good, man.
Yeah.
Wow, that's
I'm
what's up
happy
there
with
by
that.
the house. That whole
Yeah, you
corner.
can see if you
Right,
stand
that's
further back, you can
amazing,
see that's come up really well there. You can see the bubble in the level. And you know, a job like this, with raising that wall and moving it closer, it's always it's like touch and go. You know, I
Right.
can't guarantee it, but man, if
Well,
all our
you said
jobs,
that, and I'm with you. I get it.
yeah.
I'm a realist.
But like I said to you too, we surprise ourselves most of the time too. I'm not going to promise something I can't guarantee,
right.
but when it works out this well, at least the customer's happy because you weren't expecting it to go this well.
Well, this is gonna stop all this crap.
Oh yeah,
I fixed the other problems.
yeah, yeah.
Done.
And this is solid now. We've got so much foam underneath there. This won't go anywhere. And it's level.
This will
And
never-
it's supported. And then you can see how this has moved out. See that?
Yeah.
Because if you look in the corner here, you can see with us raising this whole beam on that post, it actually lifted it up and
Yeah.
opened that crack up.
Everything
Oh.
was.
This side too, if you look here. See that?
Yeah,
You can
everything-
see how that beam is lifted up, opening that up in the bottom. And all you need to do there is just cork that up and
Yeah, yeah.
fill that up. I mean, that you can see is perfectly level there now. See that?
Oh yeah.
That's perfectly level. Awesome. Yeah.
Now I don't have to go back
A lot of relief
No.
foam.
Yeah, you just cork it and paint it. Yeah. Not gonna matter. Oh yeah.
Then they will backfill that.
I'm just cleaning up some excess resin that we had.